What's going on, everybody? We are here in Las Vegas on Fremont, right outside Commonwealth. They just did a massive remodel and installed all ColorKey lighting. Let's go check it out.
My name is Craig Shook, and I'm the lead lighting technician for the Corner Bar Management production team.
Maybe some of the other lights hitting the real disco ball.
Here above the chandelier, and then two mixed in with the DJ beams. When we got close to the Commonwealth renovation, our team saw an opportunity to up the club factor of Commonwealth. It's been a nightclub for a long time, but didn't always feel like one. And we thought adding a more rigorous lighting rig would, help up that club factor. We get a great reaction every time we turn the lights on at midnight. We sort of make a big moment out of it, and the crowd really responds well. There's a lot of dancing under the lights. The DJs have fed really well off of it too. We have 18 fixtures from the ColorKey Creator series installed towards the front of the room. There's an array of beam lights up by the DJ, wash lights down the sides of the rooms, and we're able to spotlight areas like our beautiful chandeliers, the disco ball up front, and the DJ at high points of the night. We make a really big moment out of when we turn the lights on at the beginning of the night. Lots of crazy movement, lots of exciting changing colors. For the first hour and a half, we try to really keep up that energy. When the club starts to decline for the night towards closing, then we'll use less movement, less color changes, and keep it more steady for the people that are still lingering in the club. We use the halo rings as an added bit of mood during our programming. I tend to keep the halos in a similar color pattern to the beams and wash lights. We add chases up and down the room sometimes. We've also used the halos in a few other buyout settings where we're just trying to set the mood for, say, a wedding reception or some sort of other party here at Commonwealth during the day. I absolutely would recommend ColorKey lighting. It's really added an extra dimension to Commonwealth. I've heard really good things from the DJs that come in. They like the added excitement, the added atmosphere. The staff has been really excited about it. They like the switch up. The guests really like it too. You can really tell because a bunch of them will cheer at midnight when we turn everything on.
So if you're in the Vegas area and want to check out the Creator Series by ColorKey, do nothing less than swing by Commonwealth.